Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear KG. I hope you're all fine. Please stay home, stay safe, okay? Subject English. On Wednesday, you will do page number 9. You will do page number 9. Okay. Look here. It's your homework. Mark here. Mothers, please mention the date and day. Okay, look here. Your topic is D says D. D says D. Okay, this is letter D, and D says D. D make a sound D. D says D. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you how to write D sound. Okay, start from this dot. Look. Start from this dot. First make a, go up, touch the line, and then come back. Okay, again. Start from second line. First make a, repeat after me. Make a, go up, then come down. Again. Start from this line, second line. First make a, go up and come down. This is the sound D. It's the sound D. D says D. Okay, repeat after me. D says D. How to write this sound? Repeat after me. Make a, go up, come down. Okay, there are some pictures. Do you know what is it? Do you know it? I know. Oh dear, very good. Dear. And what is the beginning sound of dear? Dear, very good. Okay, do you know what is it? Drum. Do you like the drum? Okay, how to beat it? Dun. Okay, drum. And what is the beginning sound of drum? Drum. Drum. Okay, tell me, what is the beginning sound of drum? Very good. Dear. Drum. Dear. Drum. Very good. And there is one more picture. What is it? Doll. Very good. Well done. Doll. And what is the beginning sound of doll? Doll. Very good. Okay, on Thursday you will do page number 10. Page number 10. On Thursday you will do page number 10. And here is the same case. Here is the same formation. How to write there? First make a, go up, come down. First make a, go up, touch the line, then come back. Very good. Again, make a, go up, come down. Well done. Very good. It's very easy to write. Do more practice at home. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.